Good morning everyone. Today I, Japneet Kaur,
And I, Kimaya.
we are here to give a presentation on World Sustainable Energy Days. World Sustainable Energy Days. What is World Sustainable Energy Days? The World Sustainable Energy Days highlights the newest technological development, remarkable examples and European policies as well as possibilities to form new collaborations. Green energy and energy conservation are discussed during the event. The World Sustainable Energy Days is a yearly sustainability meeting that originally took place in Austria. It hosts conferences focused on the generations including the use of sustainable energy. This year, the theme of World Sustainable Energy is Energy Transition Full Speed Ahead. Now the question arises, why do we need energy transition? The energy transition is a pathway towards the transformation of the global energy sector from fossil-based to zero carbon by the second half of the century. Types of sustainable energy. Sustainable energy is the energy production that lasts for the future generation. Renewable resources can naturally replenish themselves while non-renewable resources cannot, which means non-renewable resources are limited in supply and cannot be sustainable. The renewable resources mainly includes solar energy. Solar energy traps the heat and light from the sun to produce electricity. Wind energy. Electrically energy obtained from the harnessing the wind with windmills. Ocean energy refers to all kind of renewable energy derived from the windmills. Geothermal energy is the thermal energy in the earth's crust. Hydro energy produces fast running water to produce electricity. Benefits of sustainable energy will be continued by Kimaya.
Benefits of sustainable energy. Renewable energy generates no emissions. Generating electricity from fossil fuel creates a lots of greenhouse emissions. However, electricity generated from renewable resources such as wind turbines and solar panels creates no emissions and no air pollution. Renewable energy lowers our carbon footprint. We are all aware how our actions impact on the environment. Using energy of renewable resources in our homes can lower down our carbon footprint by replacing the need of fossil fuel emissions with zero carbon emissions of sources, wind and solar. Every kilowatt of green energy can reduce our carbon footprint by 3,000 pounds annually. Renewable energy reduces harmful air pollutants. When fossil fuels are burnt to produce electricity, they are chemically reacted with oxygen and form nitrogen oxide, which is a harmful gas. They react chemically to produce ground level ozone, which is a harmful air pollutant. It can cause various health problems such as coughing, airway inflammation, throat irritation, reduce lung function, etc. and many more. Renewable energy uses less water. Almost every energy source uses water at some point to operate. For coal and natural gas generation of electricity, they use approximately 60,000 gallons of water. However, renewable energy such as wind do not require any water for generation of electricity. Renewable energy benefits the economy. Thus, renewable energy not only provides jobs but it also helps in lower downing the cost of electricity. India has a lots of contribution towards WSCD. Few of them are discussed in the upcoming slides. India and Australia have signed a letter of intent on 15 February 2022 on new and renewable energy technology aimed at scaling up manufacturing and deployment of ultra-low-cost solar and clean hydrogen. India plans to produce 5 million tons of clean hydrogen by 2030.
At the end, we would like to say that energy is essential for development and sustainable energy is essential for sustainable development. Thank you.